is what I got. Banana mat. I want banana pudding.
May picture ka na. Everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dear Diary. Today is November 25. It's a Tuesday. We're currently here at the Manila Hotel because yesterday I wasn't able to vlog. We had a fashion show for the Philippine Heritage Society and I was a model. Wow, Naks. I was a model, so ayun. And then for today, guess who I'm with? Who else?
Hey guys!
It's Lloyd again. Lloyd reveal later. So, right now, I'm just getting ready. We had breakfast na. We're gonna go to TAF. We don't know our plans yet. Oh, wait. Mag-start na ako.
Guys, watch our TikTok content yung PG.
True. And so, this opportunity may be for you. Guys, that song has been stuck in my head. So yesterday, the fashion show, the theme was 1910. Yung theme ng segment namin. So I look like an old person. But you know, the look was achieved. We were Gibson girls. The look was achieved naman. But it's not me. It's not my style. But you know, that's fashion.
Through going out of your comfort zone.
Right. I couldn't be happier. I know. Favorite ko yun ngayon, please. Mag-eyeshadow pa ba ako?
Diyos ko, wag natin. Hindi pa nga natin kung saan tayo pupunta.
Done getting ready. Guys, so, ay, hindi na dito niyo.
Wait, ang gwapo!
we're live right now. Ang landi ni Lloyd.
Hey, don't say that sa vlog. Don't sama na. Di naman na hindi ako malandi. Ano to?
Should I tie my hair, y'all? Or just keep it down? Guys, should I wear this? Or,
Mas gusto ko yung isa. Parang di bagay yung poncho sa ay, bagay din.
yes, is this giving? Is my poncho giving? Maiba naman din.
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay guys, so, Donya mode.
Hi to the one viewer. I love you. Thank you for watching.
Ito na.
Hi to the two viewers. Thank you for watching. Love ko kayo. TikTok. Guys, say hi. Para makakapag-hi sila sa vlog. Hi, say hi vlog. And I'm exporting some of my clips. Vlog takeover. And yeah, mag-ayos na kami ng gamit because we're going to my condo in a while.
Guys, we're now on our way to TAF. By Manila Hotel. Thank you so much. Over. So guys, we don't have like a clear agenda yet. And it's like raining. Pero ngayon hindi naman, think ka.
So, magkalesa.
Ako rin! Kasi alam mo dati, sa Postema, lagi kami nagkakalis. Hey y'all! We're here at Lloyd's condo, but we're gonna go down kasi he has to pay some bills.
We're just gonna buy water first.
Yeah, buy water also.
Should we buy drinks?
No.
Gusto ko sa Lawson Taco.
Sure.
Kasi may patita ko.
Gosh, kakain na siya agad. Busog na busog
Hindi ko
pa.
kakain kasi yung tiramisu, inaantay ko makain.
Yes, we're gonna eat tiramisu.
Bakit pag nag-pilates tayo, ganyan.
Guys, we were supposed to do Pilates. Pero
And
sabi
gym.
namin, hindi kata kami prepared.
Kasi wala siyang talang shoes, diba?
Hindi naman need ng shoes sa Pilates eh.
Nakakaano ba ng socks?
Oo, yung grippy socks. Grippy socks. Wala akong shoes. We were supposed to go to the gym. Ayun na sis. We're just gonna buy water. Summit, yeah.
Ako din Summit.
Ay, hindi ko na kaya. Yan na, Lloyd's gonna hold it.
Ay, hindi. Pagulungin mo to.
Then after nito magbayad si Lloyd ng bills. Siguro maputulan pa siya ng water. Nung isang best nag-sleepover ako sa kanya.
Wala ding water. Bakit ko ang malat sa ano ko?
Nakakaloka.
Lagi natatimingan.
Kaya ano, nakakaasar. Hey y'all, let's eat tiramisu. Guys, hindi na pindot yung vlog. But we're now eating tiramisu. We're now back here.
Parang dami ng cream.
Girl, ang daming cream. It's so sweet.
Masarap po sa mga gamit nila.
Too sweet for my liking. Y'all, we ended up at Okada. I just reused my outfit. I have another outfit, pero hindi ko siya masuot ng maayos. Parang matatakal siya. So I was like, I'll just wear this. Guys, magla-live ulit kami. Magla-live ulit kami.
Later.
Oh my gosh, linalamig ako. I should have worn my jacket.
Guys, hindi pa kayo nagsasawa sa amin.
Kaya lagi na lang kami magkasama. But who cares? We're besties like that. Plastic! Guys, I'm so LSS. Alam ka na.
Alam mo, patulog ako, ganyan yan.
So our current struggle is we can't find a restaurant. Wala na to. Not in the mood for no-nos.
Kung nag-cross the pizza naman tayo.
Oh, no, it's closed na. We close early, I know.
Kapanta ko ba sa iyo?
Ano?
Yung cross ko?
What?
Sige, kita kami cross the pizza ng last.
Really? Per box?
Oo.
Turoy!
Yung ano na sa amin.
I want crosta. I've been craving for crosta too. Guys, we ended up at TGIF. Let's go. Thank you. Okay. Feel it. Order ko na lang yung wala kay Lloyd.
Can I try?
Sitat na.
Baby.
Your sour cream is so good. Ma-order. Hey guys! We're now on our way to Studio Segi. Over yung mga bagahe namin. Pareho kaming nakamaleta. I'm gonna go back to Cavite na. We just finished yung content shoot for Tom. Super short lang. And then, ngayon, Lloyd has a client kasi we're doing that one. Thank you. So Lloyd has a client. That's why we're going to Studio Segi. I'm gonna assist him. Tapos, after that, uwi na ng Cavite. Ha? Okay, wait. Ano maliit? Ito, ano ba to? Which one?
Yung isa kong phone. Kausap pa lang si Ken kanina.
Ano tawag mo? Guys, nawawala yung phone ni Lloyd. Mali ba here? Wala sa CR? Binabaan ako! Hindi ba to? Yung iPhone 8? Oh my gosh, nasa bag niya lang pala. Nakaka-stress. Ayun, magsha-shades na siya.
Ay, sisistress ako. Wala talaga ako sa bag kanina.
Baka feeling. Guys, look. Oh my gosh. Guys, we're going to Vietnam. So next week, kailan tayo? Ah! Every week na. Mamiss kasi ako ni Lloyd. Miss kasi ako ni Lloyd. Nakita, wait lang. Bang thumbnail picture ka na. Yeah. We're now here at the Grab. Haggard, hindi lang pala. Now on our way to Studio Segi. Yes, Lloyd is shooting. Guys, nasa CR pa si Lloyd. But we're at Lloyd's house again. My God. Mas madalas pa ako mag-vlog dito sa bahay na. We're gonna eat. We got Canto fried chicken. Like literal. And then Lloyd made some gravy. Then Mary risotto. Very nice. Hey guys, so today is December 3. It's currently 12:54 p.m. The game is at 1:30. We're about to watch the UAAP. It's LaSalle versus NU in the Final Four. But we're on our way near UST first because I have to drop off my stuff because that's where I'm gonna sleep tonight. And then from there, we're just gonna book a cab and then go to Araneta. Right now, I'm with my mom and Kuya Christian. So they're just there. And it's currently raining. I don't know why. But yeah, I think we're gonna be a little late for the game, but it's fine. So yeah. See you guys there.
I don't know if you guys can hear me, but it's currently the 4th quarter. We arrived parang almost end na ng 2nd quarter. And LaSalle's on the lead. Yes! So, let's watch. Oh my gosh. Yeah! Score is 71-54 in favor of LaSalle. Defense! 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 Starinatas full packed actually pala. Like in fairness, the crowd's huge right now, even though it's a Wednesday. And you showed up, LaSalle showed up, ang daming tao. So yeah. Time out. Score is 56-71 in favor of LaSalle pa rin. Guys, 5 minutes na lang. Update guys, score is 65-81. I am certain we are going to win. Hey guys, I'm currently here at Gateway. We had dinner at Abe, but right now I'm just waiting for my Grab. I'm gonna be going to Makati naman because my cousins are going there. We're gonna have dinner also. So I'm gonna have dinner twice today. Oh my gosh. But I'm like alone now. So it's 8 minutes away pa. I'm like thinking if I should go around because the new Gateway Mall is honestly so nice. I don't know if this is the same mall as before. They just renovated it, or is it like new talaga? So I'm just gonna be killing time and wait for the Grab. Because it's like 8 minutes away pa, and I know it's super traffic around the area kasi nga it's NU LaSalle and UST UP. But guys, LaSalle won by the way. Super happy because we're gonna go to a game too. Not quite sure yet if I'll be able to watch that because it's going to be on Saturday and I'll be having like events on Saturday. So, let's see. Guys, I'm near na. Like a minute away. I don't know where my cousins are. Sabi nila 10 minutes na lang din kanina nung 10 minutes ako. So hopefully sabay lang kami dumating. Guys, I'm here na. I don't know where my cousins are. I have to message them. This is Nikkei. This is where we're gonna eat. Nikkei. It's a small place lang. And it's full. We didn't make a reservation. Wait, I'll ask. Is that them? Or no? Hi for 3. For 3.
For 3 now?
Yeah.
We have a reservation for us now for house.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys. May full house daw sila kasi may reservation. Bruh. So, I'll just wait for my cousins and then we'll decide. The cousins are here. Sobrang tagal nag-ayos. Hindi pwede daw. 5 minutes lang daw mag-wait.
Okay.
Tapos meron daw paalis. Say hi to my vlog, guys.
Hi, vlog.
So we're gonna wait.
For 5 minutes.
I know, right? Hey guys, we're now on our way to Ula. We are gonna grab matcha. I've been wanting to try Ula because I've been seeing it on TikTok and IG. But Cheska wants to try the hojicha. Can you guys say hi again?
Hi.
Missy's so camera shy. Her peg is Allison Laude. Guys, we don't know nasan yung Ula. Ayun! I saw na! There. It's there! Naman. Thank you to Cheska's Google Maps. So, OA. Taga-UST ka nga eh. Tawid ka ng tawid dun eh. Stop. Please stop, guys. Yay! We're now here at Ula. Ano? Bro, parang ang sarap. Bro, may mango sa gumatcha. But I want the banana kasi. Okay, so we're now here at Ula. Hi! I want banana pudding matcha. Wait lang, I can't read eh. Match my freak. Ayun, banana pudding matcha. This is the place. Oh, what can you recommend?
For the banana pudding po, people usually ordered it with Midori or Hisui po. But if you want po na less bitter, you can go for the Hisui one.
Sige, Midori na lang. I want
Midori.
it bitter. Thank
We'll
you.
just call your name po.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna look for stickers. Cute. Hey vlog, so this is what I got. Banana matcha pudding. Missy got a premium matcha. Cheska got a black sesame ojicha. Wait lang, sinusundan niya kasi yung mukha ko. Ayan. So we're finally gonna be able to try it because Cheska asked us to wait for her order para ma-picturean. Can you remove your shadow?
Shut up.
Nagre-record yung vlog ko. Guys, hindi siya nagre-record. Pero I like the banana pudding. The matcha is better and that's how I like it. So, it's okay naman for me. Like, probably like an 8 out of 10. So, this is Macy's order. The premium matcha. Sakto lang. Let's try Cheska's Hojicha. What's this? Black sesame. It's okay. Yeah, I like that. Like a 9 out of 10. The Hojicha's a 9 out of 10. Ang sarap yung banana pudding. Tinikman mo? Tinikman mo yung banana pudding? I love the banana pudding so much. Okay, so let's judge our Spotify rap.
Stop, guys. No, oh my god. This is because of Ate Mai. Ate Missy. Because of Ate Missy, guys. Soon you'll get there.
Meron na sa'yo?
Wala. Kita ko lang sa FB.
Fake news. Wala. Ay, ito, meron na. Okay, so let's judge our Spotify rap. We're ready for you.
805 million.
What the heck? 28,806. Ilan iyo?
20,000.
Oh my gosh, 28,000 guys. Tastes like your scant bean. I listen to 121
I
genres.
listen to 108.
Number 1 is bubblegum pop. Number 2 is OPM. Oh my gosh.
Pop of PM Indie Sub Pop.
Mine is musicals. What the hell? Age is just a number, so don't take it. How about me? Ba't ang tagal? Ay, 21 also. We're all 21. 1,185 songs. My number 1 is Feeling Ko, Gabriela. My number 1 is Debut by Katsai. My top 1 is Debut. Top 2 is Actually Romantic. Crazy. Kakalabas lang nun. I Love You, Taylor Swift. Number 3 is 15 Minutes. Yeah, I love Sabrina Carpenter. Number 4, Gabriela. Yes, I love Katsai. I love Gabriela. Number 5, Busy Woman.
Reserve ka ng BI.
Ano yun? Ariana Grande. You listen to 33 albums. My top album is Sabrina Carpenter. My top 1 is Sabrina Carpenter. Short and sweet. Top 2 is Fearless. What the? Number 2 is Fearless. Top 3 is... Really? The Life of a Showgirl? I am shocked. Hindi ko in-expect yung Life of a Showgirl. Kasi... Wala lang, sakto lang siya for me. But I love Taylor Swift. Number 4 is Man's Best Friend. Number 5, Speak Now. I love you, Taylor Swift, so much. I love you, Taylor Swift! Yay! Taylor Swift is still my top artist. I love you so much, Blondie. Oh my gosh, wala tuloy Olivia Rodrigo. Come on, Olivia, release a new song. Ala, binati ako ni Taylor Swift.